in the world. Then a new CMO came, I think 5 years ago, and they said that when Swarovski has become so famous in crystals, and these days there is a demand increasing for what we call fine jewelry, and that fine jewelry uses crystals. A lot of fine jewelry, you see that shining things, right? They are not diamond. All that glitters is not a gold. Similarly, all that shines is not diamond. So those are crystals. Now these crystals, jewelry made of crystal, from any crystal if you make a jewelry, it's not necessarily great. So what Swarovski did first was, it went to fine jewelry makers and told them that you are using crystals which nobody knows. Your jewelry will sell at much higher price if you start telling that your fine jewelry uses Swarovski crystals. Because Swarovski crystals is little elite class, higher class, and people have high value for it, very high brand equity for it. That fine jewelry means it is not gold or platinum or diamond jewelry. Maximum it uses silver. Otherwise, mostly it is steel and other kind of metal that is used. That's the fine jewelry. So overall cost is low. But when you use Swarovski crystal, its cost goes up. So you make more money. And they successfully sold it to several brands around the world. When they found that it's so successful fine jewelry business when you use the word Swarovski crystals. So they said, why not we create our own brand of jewelry, the Swarovski jewelry. That's what we were talking about. So that came after this. They don't manufacture it. They outsource it. So one of the company that is their customer, which buys and sells its own fine jewelry, they also make it for Swarovski. And then the whole jewelry piece from Swarovski is much more expensive sometimes than your gold jewelry or even diamond jewelry, because it's so beautiful and so well positioned and developed, and the brand has equity. When my niece became 16 in America is a very important age. That's the age, that celebration of that birthday in America is very important for girls. So when my niece became 16, I said, what gift do you want? So she said, Tauji, you buy me a Swarovski bracelet. I said, why do you want Swarovski bracelet? I will give you the diamond bracelet. You should have something very valuable. The Swarovski bracelet will be of no resale value. She says, Tauji, मुझे बेचना नहीं है, मुझे पहनना है, और मुझे केवल Swarovski ब्रेसलेट चाहिए. I said, वो तो कांच है, crystal is a glass. क्या करोगी उसको लोगे? She did agree. So finally I spent $2,000, roughly 1,70,000 rupees, to get her a necklace. Very, very, very small necklace, not like how heavy jewelry you have. Very fine looking, very nice.
They are known for that.
Right? And a bracelet. They also make very nice bracelet. And the ear thing that matches with the necklace. The whole set I bought for her. These are the three things: bracelet, ear, and this. These are the three things set for $2,000 for her 16th birthday. She received it and she is very happy. So happy as if I have given diamond necklace. Right? India में कहते थे ना, 9 लाख मांगा दे मुझे. कैसे है वो संगीत? नहीं सुना? अरे यार famous song था 9 लाख मांगा दे मुझे. 9 lakh means the necklace, gold necklace that was costing 9 lakh rupees. So in one of the Hindi film, that song became 9 lakh manga de mujhe. So 9 lakh was at that time the most precious thing. So as if I had gifted her 9 lakh. That's the power of ingredient branding. So imagine Intel's success. People tried to replicate, others could not, but this company did. You might have seen some car companies also advertise JBL speakers. Bose speakers, BOSE Bose speakers. Do you guys know that BOSE Bose was actually Bengali? From West Bengal? You know that? But he built such a big brand for speakers, right? So, and that was not built here, it was built in America. So, Bose speakers, JBL speakers, you see they will mention that in the car. It has Bose speaker, JBL speaker. That's an ingredient. The third is what we call company from Tata and Sons. Correct? From Reliance, from General Electric. Company. So company name is also affecting adding to the brand. Dove from Unilever Limited or Hindustan Unilever Limited. They never did it past. Now they are adding that as well. Right? Procter and Gamble. Tide from P&G. Gillette razors from P&G. Do you know Gillette comes from P&G? Now you will get shocked because Gillette itself is a very famous brand. It was a separate company. Procter and Gamble acquired Gillette. So they did not change the Gillette brand name because Gillette as a brand name is successful. But they want to tell the world that we are the owners. So it says Gillette from Procter and Gamble, P&G. So that's the company. And the last item is what we talk about extensions. Extending the brand. There are many techniques for that, but that is the topic for the next class. That Monday when we meet, we'll have another long session like this, and I will be talking about the extensions. So these are the ways you create associations. Now you know how you will create associations. You learned yesterday how to create a brand. Now you have learned how to create association. So those were the tools for building awareness. These are the tools for building what? Image. So brand image is being built by the associations. Associations is all about brand image. Elements are used to make people aware so that people can identify you. They also contribute in creating the image. But primary job is awareness, and the primary job here is now you know how to create a strong brand. So project work, you have to start doing the element analysis and the association analysis. Is that clear to all of you? You have weekend to finish these things. Any questions, comments or feedback? Otherwise we are done for the day.